he hasn't quite went up there. All right. I'm with it, Dave. I'm with it. Oh.
Look at that, dude. Are you ready? They're about to be here at the fire department. Oh. Wait, are you on the phone with them? Where are they at?
I don't know.
Like, what's the ETA here? Ask them what the ETA is.
You know they're already on the way?
Because this RV can catch on fire.
They said they're on the way.
Well, it's only like a 2-minute drive. Hey, somebody go down there and point them. Hey, the truck go. Hey, the truck go. Point them. No bueno. They're gonna be here at the water in a minute. You gonna pull it? No, no. Hey! Dogwood! Hot! Hot! Until the first one. Get on the loader! Get on the loader and let him get the chains around from the car. Oh, the car gonna catch on fire. Yeah, you might be able to get that one. No! No! No, it's on fire. Where are they at? All right. Oh yeah. You get your skid steer, the skid steer. You want to pull up to that and pull it back? You skid steer. You get your money. You get your money out.
Can I put water in the top of my house? I can't put in my floor.
Oh, they're pushing the other side. Keep it from going that way right now. They need to send a truck in here too.
Yeah, but you call and tell him come and stop.
Are they sending more trucks on the inside too?
Huh?
Are they sending more trucks on the
Yeah,
inside?
we have fire trucks coming.
Okay.
We're just the ambulance. We're a lot quicker.
Oh, okay. Nobody's hurt. So
Keep it that way. Let's get everybody away. If you have fire.
yes, there's other ones going to be, but there's two in fire.
Let's get everybody away.
And move it off.
If this is yours, you need all this like backed up and moved.
Hey, everything needs to go. All the cars, the trucks, everything.
I need clear access to any fire trucks coming in.
All the way, all the way. It caught quick. When I called, the building was just started coming on fire. There's guns inside this RV right here. Hey. Hey. Yeah. Hey, yeah, you might want to move back, Calvin. There's guns. Yeah, that truck's gonna blow up. You guns in there? You got guns and ammo?
Everything.
I know, it's about to start going on. Hey, move.
No, that's an old trailer.
Move the truck. No, there was stuff in the trailer that was blowing on.
See that spot? See that damn wall right there?
Start building this.
Yep. I know. Where's the fire department? It's just right there in town. Look, the office on fire. The what? Van? No. Hey, can the hey, where is the can the Yukon be cranked?
Nope.
It can't. It won't crank.
Hey, who drove that SUV down there?
I'll move it.
Huh?
That's me, I'll move it.
Huh? I'm scared. What do you mean?
Huh?
Okay, nobody's going in that office. There's no way to get in that office.
That is the ammo. That's the ammo cooking off. Behind a vehicle or something?
Get behind something. Get behind something. I can't believe it. Oscar and Leonard's door.
They won't
I can't believe this. I can't believe this. Well, it was burning from yesterday. I just even their motor in the truck.
Well, that's that car gone too.
That's sad.
Let's fix and get that other Tahoe, Yona.
I thought that was fire department shooting water. You know what I don't understand? I called them like 15 minutes ago. Where are they at? Like, they ain't got no trucks?
I don't know.
At least the wind's blowing that way and not towards everything we got.
What is it?
I don't know. I thought it was...
Damn, that transformer right there blows.
It did.
I'm surprised one of the meal comes off that left. Damn, that car, if it's got gas in it, they fixing to explode.
You better get ready to duck just in case something goes flying this way.
Hey, the bomberos. Nada. Oy.
No sé. Hey, 2 millas. 1 media milla. Right there.
He's got all them tools.
Yeah.
That's all the ones that died.
This one?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
Or the white one?
Well, this one.
I think you'll be okay. I think you're not in the way in the fire truck's really kind of what matters.
How you gonna let him move into you?
I don't know.
He's gonna have to have some stuff.
Why you not move the white truck? Why'd you not move the white one? They just maybe your guns will make you okay. You fix it.
What happened? My pilot and my old truck, I put tennis in there.
They going what, the white one?
Yeah.
They hear now, so they stop it.
No, but the pipe was in the house.
Hey, your motor. There, move. Oh, boys make. Hey, you know, the motor in your green truck blew up. It,
Parts can be replaced.
oh, there goes that propane. It took them long enough to get here.
They're volunteers.
No, but they're always there.
They're not always there. They're all coming from work right now. It's the middle of the week.
Hey, get down, Oreo. Get back here, Oreo. Man, nothing you can do. Too fast.
Yeah, no. The guys, my pilot and my truck,
Man, any one of those. I don't know where that ammunition's going. It's almost dangerous for cars to be driving by.
Yeah, the cops are out there. They should be. It's just, unfortunately, now it's kind of dangerous for us to approach it.
Yeah. I thought there was someone always there at that fire station. I didn't know.
It's all volunteers. The cars that you used to see sitting out there all the time, like on the weekends and stuff, was the ambulance.
Oh, man. So
We're 24/7. That's why we got here so fast.
y'all could have made it within like 5 to 10 minutes after I called. You could have like contained it before it got like this, but dang.
Unfortunately, with this big area, we're volunteers.
I think that's it.
Yeah. Well, when we did they hit me with the little.
Hey, man, you can't go in my truck in the back.
Man, I have no control over what they do. Once they're here, this is theirs. We were at the.
Man. Yeah, I know. All that stuff when I was a kid is in there.
I need it because the tap is better than the tap. That's burning the white one.
It started burning? Yeah, it's smoking. Surely they'll stop such trucks. I need to put this fire out too. That's what causes it to catch on fire. The wind blowing it. Yeah, that's what happened. The wind blew it over there and it caught something dry. Crazy. Well, we ain't waiting in no trucks for a while. There ain't no electricity.
We might as well cut these trees up there.
Yeah, all we can. No, it's putting out a lot of water. Look at it. It's like a heavy rain. No, it's on fire in there. That building's gonna burn to the ground. It's coming out the door. All it is paper in there. As soon as that catches on fire, it's engulfed. Good thing. Hey, stopping the cars. It's definitely up to the pavement. Maybe the way the wind's blowing. That Tahoe probably. I can't believe this. It happened so fast. Look at the office.
Yeah,
It's gone.
Gotta get the van too.
Glad I moved my truck. Look, this is... I need to break that glass. No, nothing. Hey, you're keeping the bed of that truck right there. You better put you a mattress in there.
I see my machine.
No, you saved the machine. The Jaguar gone. No, you paint it, sand it. Sand it and paint it. Put new tires on there. All new. Nothing. You better go to the church and tell them he needs to close.
My God.
It got hot. Lynn looked like this side of the building was on fire. The office was on fire. Ooh. What was that? Yeah, I don't know why they're not doing this. Maybe he's doing it with the truck. The truck, the front of the truck. It's gonna be hard to put this out. The wind blowing like it is. It's just light, and everything's been so dry. I know that truck's getting over there, but where's DJ? This side of the office was on fire, and Lynn told me this side of the office was on fire, and Lynn was telling me, you need to go in there and get that, get that. I ain't going in there and getting nothing.
No.
I ain't getting nothing. Yeah, I called him before I called 911. I called him and said, the house is on fire. I called him when I was running, and I got over here and called him. Honestly, didn't think it was going to take them that long. I didn't realize. Maybe the gold be melting on the ground. I'll get it with the spoon.
New everything. It's okay, I got another job. Hey, how we gonna make it the new paper for my wife? Hey, bro, I can't put in my name.
I don't know. You have to go to court and tell them. Fire. Burn. They'll give you a replacement. If we knew the wind was going to be blowing like this, we wouldn't have lit the fire.
Look, the Jaguar. Hey, the Jaguar is going.
Look, they must be out of water or something. They need that building. I can't believe that.
Yeah, we